Hello Pop-Uppers, this is Chacha. Welcome to the Pop-Up Gallery. Today, we're going to learn how to make a very simple pop-up nipa hut roof. It's a kind of traditional simple house that is common in tropical countries like the Philippines. This pop-up design is adapted from the pop-up book The Little Three Pigs by Osborne. This very bright pop-up illustration here looks so simple and easy, so let's try it out. First, find an illustration or a picture of a thatch, or we may call it nipa roof. I got this picture randomly on Google, so I do not own the copyright of this illustration. I give the credit to the rightful owner of this picture. As you can see, I printed it in two because we're going to make it look like having a double roof. For less mistake, let's have an exact measurement. This upper roof is in 6.5 inches wide, 2.5 left half and 2.5 right half, then the rest is for the tabs. For the lower roof, it's 9.5 inches wide. Same 4 inches left and right, then the rest is for the tabs. Let's add a little creativity to make it more appealing. Let's have some creative cuts at the bottom of the roof. This is supposed to be an easy pop-up because it is just using the very simple V-fold mechanism. However, it's a little bit challenging because it is triangular and you have to make some measurements and perfect angle of a triangle. But we can do it. So now, let's fold the element half and create fold diagonally. Just follow the video. Okay, so let's try to put it on the spread. Alright, so let's do the same with the other one. Alright, this is our nipa hut. However, I am not very satisfied with the result because they look almost the same and it appears like a Christmas tree to me. So, let's do the lower part again. This time, it is much higher, but with the same size. If you encounter a problem like this, it is sticking out, just cut it out. Okay, here is our simple hut. Thank you very much, Pop-Uppers. I hope you like it. See you in the next video. Have a great day. God bless. Bye!